Explore the countryside in this 2017 Sunseeker 2860DS. This Class C motorhome sits on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a gas engine. Over the top of the cab is a one-piece fiberglass cap that keeps water from getting in. You can head out anytime, anywhere with the heated and enclosed holding tanks and 4-kilowatt Onan Microquite generator, while slide-out awnings help keep debris from getting stuck in the top of the slide-outs. Got extra stuff? Hook up a trailer and bring it along with the 7,500-pound hitch. While this hitch hauls thousands of pounds, you'll save thousands of dollars with Motorhomes To Go's factory direct pricing, so you'll have cash left over to add in the exterior TV to the outside kitchen. When the weather forces you inside, you can enjoy the living room LED TV. Both the sofa and dinette convert into bed, so you'll have added sleeping space anytime you need it. Between the 3 different decor styles and the optional refrigerator configuration, you'll have just the flair you want. You can check out our inventory and even order a custom-built motorhome on our website located at mhs2go.com. A full kitchen ensures that you can make all the meals you crave from anywhere on the road. Your master bathroom helps to keep you out of the dingy campground bathroom. In fact, you can skip the public restrooms altogether and have us deliver this motorhome right to your door. Then anytime you take a road trip, you have your own toilet, cabinet space, and large shower with which to travel. At the end of the day, your serene master bedroom greets you with comfort and tranquility. When you roll with a luxurious motorhome like this, you won't have to give up comforts such as a bedroom TV, a queen bed with memory foam mattress, dual reading lights, nightstands, and plenty of storage for all your personal items and clothing.